we have with us a real great entertainer. And if he's ready, we can go to that now. Is Mark Proksch is here. Magic Mark Proksch with his new puppet show that he's worked out. Mark's Prupets. Mark's Prutchets. What? Yes, close the door like we talked about when you got here this morning.
Always wants it closed.
Right there.
Hi, everybody.
Give him a sec.
I'm going to...
You need this or what?
No. I'm going to do W.C. Fields.
You're in my shot.
W.C. Fields and the Three Stooges. Or I like to call them the Three Wise Guys.
What is this? The
Stooges and
W.C. Fields with the Three Stooges.
Hey, W.C. Fields, how are you? Oh, it's the Three Noodleheads. What are you guys up to today? Well, we thought it would be a great idea to come see you and maybe be in a movie together. We were never in a movie together, even though we've been doing our comedy from 1922 to 1970. Oh, that's interesting, boys. Let's do it. But we have to include
Excuse me.
Include my good friend Mae West. Hi, boys. Why don't you come up and see me sometime? What should the movie be about? Well, I recommend that it's about 100 minutes.